This is the slack heart mount. It looks like this. Start off, we're going to do a 1.5 mount, or what looks like a 1.5 mount. And instead of landing on the 1.5 mount, we're just going to leave our fingers positioned like so. We're going to use the bottom 3 fingers on your throw hand to pull the string back so that way you have access to both strings in your 1.5 mount. For the next step, you're going to swing the yo-yo up and behind your 1.5 mount, landing on this bottom string right there. Once you have your yo-yo mounted on the bottom string, you're going to take your non-throw hand and push it above the yo-yo, and you're going to roll your yo-yo over top into this front string right here that's draping down from your throw hand. It looks like this. You're going to roll it over, landing it on that string, and if you see now, there's 2 strings that are over top of my non-throw hand index finger. And what I'm going to do is just gently pinch it in, not too much because then both strings will fall off. You just want this front string to fall off so that your yo-yo lands into this green triangle. This is the same green triangle from And What, which we also teach on our channel, so go back and check that out if it interests you. Once you're in your green triangle, you're going to gently lift your non-throw hand up, and as you see, that's going to move this segment of string that's connected to the yo-yo closer to my throw hand. Once that segment of string is touching your throw hand index finger, you're going to pinch with your throw hand thumb, and this is the point where you really have to pay attention to where you're dropping your slack, okay? Because you need to make sure that your slack goes directly into the yo-yo. If it goes behind the yo-yo or to the side, it's not going to form the heart mount that we want. So you need to make sure that as soon as you have this string pinched, you need to turn to the side and then look at where your throw hand is aiming to make sure the string lands directly into the center of the yo-yo, like so. Once your throw hand is pinched and you're looking down the gap of your yo-yo so you know where your slack is going to drop, as soon as this string is touching the gap of your yo-yo, you're going to release your pinch and spread your throw hand fingers, forming the heart mount. You're going to take your non-throw hand, put it in this side of your 2 triangles with your throw hand staying in this side, and this is where your true triangle is, meaning that this is where if you were to drop this whole thing, this is the side that would create the knot. So what we want to do is hop our yo-yo out of this side, and you're going to exit from the back of the mount, which looks like this. When you hop out, you're going to land on this front string, which brings you into a weird trapeze and his brother mount, and then you're going to again lift your throw hand up, dropping it onto a trapeze, and bringing it back to your hand. That was the slack heart mount.